Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela uba Kermen Shela ubelongru UMLA jongka cleared constituency ulaong tat hadu on Ladep Lilam lot Dewïong uberem ubedan lai pu arlak metric ton on salak ban lap yu belati Be-Aiñ. Hakaje keren baik kelap pathai kubor uba Kermen ulaong kamlong ke besuk ban lap yu unu Dewïong ubedang ti thamai ber unu Ladep ti menchua. Hakabe day bakajing penmi hukum jongka Ying Bishar Meghalaya High Court halo Dewïong uba Kermen Shela ulaong ba Ladep ba hadu katnu udon Dewïong belati Be-Aiñ.
Illegal coal mining has been mentioned by the High Court. I don't know exactly what is it about, but all I know is that the coal lying all over East Ynda Hills is the coal, as per my knowledge, is the coal which was not, this CIL, which is already take the collection and needs to be auctioned. So the auction process was a little delayed, and that coal lies pending. Maybe because of that, the High Court, the Honorable High Court mentioned that it's illegal mining is going on, because unless we complete it all over, especially those 32 lakh metric tons, unless we complete it and then finish it over, then I feel that it's very difficult to say it's illegal coal mining is going on. After we finish that, then if new coal is coming out, then I believe maybe it's correct to mention that this illegal coal mining is going on. But as of now, how can we identify those 32 metric lakh ton is not yet over yet? It's still lying pending wherever it is. So for that, I'm not against to the Honorable Court, but it's just that I'm saying I believe that the authority who needs to complete this process of auction, so they'll do the process and then complete it as soon as possible, so that if new coal is coming out, then we'll identify and then we'll realize and then we'll know it exactly. This is a new coal coming out, then it might be illegal coal mining.